So I have some sauce. We'll save it for enchilada video. Anyways, let's go ahead and give this puppy a try. Yo, welcome back to Urban Street 420. I'm your host, 40. Take two, baby. You're like, it's already done. And that's because I didn't realize I didn't have audio recording, so I actually have two burritos right now. Today we're going to make such an amazing bean and cheese burrito, maybe the best you've ever had. You have to try it. It's not typical, but it is so delicious. I've got a tortilla here that I bought from the local Latin shop, and what we're going to do is first lay on some beans, right? I didn't show you how to make these beans because all I did is take them from a can, and these are refried black beans. You can use refried pinto beans, which is definitely more typical. If you didn't see the video from yesterday, this is the Spanish rice that I made. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on, but first, let's go ahead and add the cheese, because if we put it on top of the hot beans and then put the hot rice on top of it, what's gonna end up happening is the cheese is gonna melt, and that's exactly what we want. This is a mixture of gouda and mozzarella. I'm using what I have that's open and available. Obviously, you could use cheddar or whatever cheese that you have ready and available, right? So let's put the Spanish rice from yesterday on here. If you didn't see the video, go ahead and check it out. I'll link it up at the top. So after we put this, we're not gonna make this typical, super typical, right? You could put some can of butter here or some pulp. I have a super crazy day today, so I don't have time to be super high right now, so I'm not gonna put it. This is a bag of lettuce, carrots, cabbage, whatever. This is the cheating way because I didn't want to cut anything up and I already had one open. We're just gonna throw some in here. And yes, this is not typical, but I didn't say that this is gonna be the most typical bean burrito you ever had. I said this is gonna be one of the best, right? Let's go ahead and put on some jalapeños. I've got some chips right here, so we'll break some chips. The reason we're doing this is for texture, baby. It's definitely gonna add some nice texture. Next, we have, this is like a lime and a lemon had a baby. It's an interracial lime, and we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of that juice on here. Give it that freshness, boom, 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 boom. Next, this is a homemade hot sauce I made. It's one full avocado, it's one large tomato. I would put tomato in here, but I used the only tomato I had for the salsa. So one large tomato, one large avocado, a quarter of an onion, 2 habaneros, a little bit of garlic, some salt, pepper, and yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and layer some of this on. This for sure is gonna be spicy. So obviously, use whatever hot sauce you want. You don't have to make it spicy, etc. And again, if you wanted this to be infused, then go ahead and put some cannabis pulp in there. That you if you had made butter or oil, you could put some pulp in there. You could also put a little bit of can of butter in there, etc. Right? So all I did is fold the sides in. I'm folding this over. I'm gonna roll this onto itself. This is hot right here, and what we're gonna do was we're just gonna put this here, and this is gonna help seal it. It's gonna toast the burrito. It's gonna be mighty fine. It's just gonna add a little je ne sais quoi. All right, through movie magic, we're back. It's done. What I did to plate it, I put some chips, I put some more, I put some cheese that I melted while it was in here on it, and then I put a little bit more of the salsa. This is probably gonna be so hot. I mean, this seriously is a bean burrito that you'll write home about. Excuse me for showing you my back. Whoa! Now, I don't know how well you could see it. Not really, huh? Because it seems a bit flat. We could have put enchilada sauce on this too. I did not. I didn't want to open it because then I would have had burritos for another 2 weeks, or I would have had to make enchiladas. So I have some sauce. We'll save it for enchilada video. Anyways, let's go ahead and give this puppy a try. This is amazing, right? I don't know how to tell you. Of course, you could put meat in here. You could put a meat substitute if you want, but just the bean and cheese with the rice, with some lettuce. You mean throw a tomato in there with the jalapeños, custom hot sauce, more cheese. What? And again, if we had put enchilada sauce on top, that would have taken it to another level as well. It is so freaking good that even if you're like, oh, I eat meat every meal, which probably you shouldn't, but, and I'm not a vegetarian, I'm just saying, eat more veggies. Anyway, so yeah, even if you love meat all the time, this is so good. You will want to make it again and again. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. You know the deal, baby. Till next time, I'm out.